started by finding a standard Lego minifigure model from Bambulab Studio. Then, I imported it into a slicer and scaled it up to 500%. Printing the legs look massive. The print took a while. Printing the body, it's one of the largest parts. Assembling the head and body. With the main parts done, I moved on to connecting the head and body. Thanks to the precise scaling and good file design, the parts fit together smoothly. Attaching the arms and legs, the parts fit together smoothly. And here it is, the finished 5:1 scale Lego figure. This is a fun and impressive project for any Lego or 3D print. Thanks for watching.